if you love your daughter, you wouldn't want to see your daughter charged with a felony, correct? Yes or no?
Why would she?
Because if she's not going to cooperate with the police, we're going to put extra charges.
And we don't want to do that.
We don't want to do that.
Trust me, that's more paperwork from us.
Yeah.
I know you think we don't care about you guys. It's not about that. We're just trying to do our job. We're just the warrants guys. It's a petty, minor charge.
Just have her come out. Bailey, if you hear us talking right now, it's probably in your best interest just to come out and not get additionally charged.
You're going to get your mom sick, Bailey. She's already sick from her surgery. Text Caesar. We don't want her to freaking, get her injured here or have another attack.
Caesar!
It's your daughter. I know you don't want to do it to your daughter. I get it.
Caesar, come up here, bro.
But it's not going away, and we're not going away. We know she lives here. We have an arrest warrant for her. It's petty. It's petty.
Yeah, a violation.
It's petty.
Of probation.
I completely agree with you.
Because she wasn't at her other brother's house at curfew time.
Completely agree with you.
She was here sleeping.
Completely agree with you. I'm not saying...
And he's being an asshole.
Let me tell you something about probation officers, right? They're fucking cocksuckers. And the reason why is because they got nothing better to do. And they make it harder for you. They're just complete cocksuckers, right? But at the end of the day...
Camera. No.
But at the end of the day, it was issued by a judge. And it won't go away. And, if it was if we were the regular cops that we just came and knocked and we left, but we're not. We're with the Warrants Division. They sent us here specifically for her. So, we're just going to take care of this. She'll be in it, she'll be out, she'll be back in your custody, and she'll be good in there. Just hold where you're at.
Oh, you don't want him up here?
No, it cuts all the way through.
Oh, I thought you wanted him up.
No, I just wanted you to let him know.
Look, I gotta go.
Just have her come
Yes.
Let me
Do me a
shut
favor.
the door.
I'm going to give you one last opportunity. What's her phone number? And I'm going to talk to her so she understands what's going on. Because you're doing her a disservice.
I don't know it.
Just go get her phone. And she's in there. Go get her phone.
Just have her call
I want
us.
to talk to her. Go get her phone.
Have her call us, or let's just talk to her. Because
I am. I'm staying out.
we're not going to come in. It's a warrant. It's a warrant. It's a VOP.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a whiskey. And she said she was sleeping.
Done.
She told me she was sleeping.
First party.
Yeah.
My son should be here
Yeah, I understand.
any minute.
No problem.
That's even better. That's better. Because then we can explain it. You're being very, I wouldn't say disrespectful. You're being very disobedient.
We're working this. Crime Stoppers here. We think the female's inside. Mom's being uncooperative at the door. It's a warrant. And she made it first party by saying the female's been sleeping here. So we're working through it, trying to not have to go in.
What are you doing?
I hear something in there. Is the phone ringing in there?
No.
Are you sure?
But just tell her to pick it up regardless. If it is in there.
Bae. Bae. The cops are here.
Put her on speaker so I can talk to her.
And they want you.
Let me talk to her. Come on.
And I won't let them in. I'm not.
Can I talk to your daughter? Isn't that the reason you were calling her? So we
No.
can explain to her what's going on? Out of her courteous? So she knows what's going on?
You can explain.
Yeah. So put it on speaker. I don't need to touch your phone.
I'm
We don't want to
putting
touch
you on speaker.
There you go. There you go, honey. You know where the speaker button is?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, Bailey. How are you, hon? This is Agent Brown at the Sheriff's Office. Listen, you're not in trouble. You got a misdemeanor bullshit VOP warrant. It's not a big deal. What's that? No, I don't think so. I think
We're showing a misdemeanor.
it's showing a misdemeanor. Yeah, I don't know where you got felony, but we're trying to work with your mom. You know, we have all rights to go inside the house. We're trying to be respectful of her. She's obviously protective of you because that's your mom, and I get that. But the law's on our side, obviously. This is the residence where we have people saying you live. Your mom said you sleep here.
I'm sorry.
Where are you now? I'm sorry, where are you at now?
We're on the way from St. Lucie.
You're in Port St. Lucie? Okay. Could you take a picture of yourself in front of a Port St. Lucie house? So at least we know that you're not lying to us? And we could work out a self-surrender. You could meet us behind the jail during the week. I'll give you my cell phone. Just send me a picture of you in front of the house, so I know that you're not lying to me. Because if you're lying, obviously, because you know you have a warrant, if you're lying, then your probation's going to want to know why did you lie and where is she at, and they're going to add charges. I don't want them doing that. Makes my job harder.
It's just a technical.
I'll give you my number and you can text.
Okay, I'll do it right now. What's your number?
561.
I'm sending you a text now. Just send me a picture with you in front of the house that you're at in St. Lucie.
Or FaceTime. Do you have an iPhone?
Do you have an iPhone? Okay, I'm just gonna FaceTime you. 1 second. Be easier that way instead of us texting each other. You can hang up your mom's phone. I'm calling you right now.
Alright, I've got to get ready to go.
Just bear with us. Let's knock this out real quick.
What?
To let him know I'm using the bathroom, so if you want to wait a minute.
I hear you, honey. Do you hear the phone ringing?
Yes, sir.
I just want to make sure I'm calling the right number. Do you see it ringing or no? Okay, you do. You still on the phone with her? You hung up.
I hung up.
Did you know she's in St. Lucie?
I didn't know where she was.
Okay. Don't get worked
Let me ask you a
up,
question.
We're not here
What?
to
You
get
seem
worked
like a nice lady. Are you a patriot? Tell him it's on telegram.
up.
Are you a patriot?
502.
You love this country? We're here to protect you while you live in this country. You're a patriot, right?
Yeah.
So you should be supporting us, not going against us. Because we're the reason why you're safe. So I don't know why you'd want to protect somebody who has a warrant, because you're only hurting her. You're not actually helping her. You're hurting her. The quicker she gets this taken care of, the less chance anything bad can happen to her. You love your daughter, but she's an addict. If she doesn't get help, she's probably going to either OD,
How do you know she's in that?
because we know.
How?
We know her history, man. This is what we do for a living. You need to start changing your perspective, how you look at
she's
things.
getting
We are not the
high.
bad guys. We're here to help you.
What is she getting high on?
I can't tell you. I don't know. But she gets high on stuff. I don't know. She has a history of it. I don't know. Trying to help her.
Okay, well,
You don't want to get high and
We're
overdose,
working
do
through
you?
this here at 502 World.
Okay, so help me.
Sergeant
I
around, we should
used
be
to
good. We're
carry
just
around
trying to figure out if
little thing in our
sounds like she's inside, but we got landline with her and she's saying she's in Port St. Lucie, so
So you used to carry Narcan?
Yeah.
Okay. So I could tell that based on the fact that you're emotional, that you
Yeah.
actually love her.
But
So how can I help you help her?
she's straightened out.
Well, I don't think so, man.
she's
No.
even if she's straightened out, ma'am, at the end of the day, if she doesn't take care of everything from her past, like her warrants and stuff like that, she's never going to be on the
gonna
right
keep
track.
coming.
Yeah, absolutely. And I know you want to protect her, but you're doing her more harm than good in this situation.
Well, I
you know?
can't do
I get
anything
you.
right now. She's not here.
I get you.
And I've got to get to
No, I
the
understand.
doctor.
But you see how you became emotional?
For
the
my-
last 10 minutes, you weren't really emotional. Right? I see, I believe you. But you're emotional because you don't want anything bad to happen to her.
No.
We're the gateway to keep her from hurting herself.
If we don't pick her up on this warrant, she could overdose and die. You're not going to be there for her. You're not going to be there to
I'm
give
gonna
her
try her
Narcan.
again.
And not every addict carries Narcan, you know. Do you have a caller?
You could put one up.
Okay, can I go
She
pee?
just hung up on me.
See, that's where it gives us problems, right?
So do me a favor. Could you make sure that that's the number? I make sure I copied it right.
That's the right.
I'm a little old, so.
all my.
Yeah. I'm probably older than you.
And not you know.
How old are you?
I'm 53.
I'm 65.
You go, girl.
She's got you beat.
You got me beat.
She's got you beat. Try to
I'm gonna try her again.
She's not lying to you.
No, I get
No,
it.
we
We're trying to help her. We want to let the state. We want to let the probation officer know that she's not.
Yeah, and it doesn't look good when she keeps, you know, like just dodging us, you know.
Yeah, she.
Well, if the probation officer is such a highfalutin asshole, why can't
And you know what? I probably agree
he
with you on
put
that.
her in a program?
It'll never. This warrant will never go away. It's gonna stay in her file for the rest of her life until she's arrested or she's found dead, one or the other. So that's why we'd rather arrest her and take her to jail so she could get it taken care of.
I
You know?
get it.
And we
And
know,
get clean.
and we know she's been staying here. We know she lives here. We would want to verify she's not here right now, just so we can knock it off, so we don't have to keep coming back and harassing
Well,
you. Because
you're not.
You want to just do a
coming.
quick walkthrough?
we're gonna have to do a quick walkthrough. She
Yeah,
keeps
look-
saying we're not
No.
going inside.
No.
It's a first party address,
It's
ma'am.
the first party.
She has a
address,
warrant for
man. We
arrest.
have to. I'm sorry to tell you.
We have reason to believe she's
Yeah.
inside.
Let me give you this. Let me give you a real quick
A
rundown how this
search
works.
warrant.
Listen,
We have an arrest warrant.
we have an arrest warrant for a body who resides at this residence, who you, the mother, confirmed she lives here and she sleeps here. That's what you said. Other people confirmed the
I
same
didn't
thing.
say that.
Yes,
You said
did.
she sleeps
You
here.
said that to him. She sleeps here. That makes it
I
first party
said
residence.
she was sleeping here.
Right.
She's been staying.
The
Yeah, I mean,
night
she's staying
that
here.
Yeah, well, now you're changing
Ew.
it. Now you're
Yeah.
changing it.
Right. So that gives us the authority to look. We're going to do this peacefully because you're an older woman and we don't want you to get you too excited.
You're sickly. We don't want to. I'm telling you, this. If she's inside,
And I got to be honest with you. If I'm losing patience, I already know he is. He's young.
please look. Please, I beg of you. Tell
Oh,
her. To
I
come.
know.
Look.
Bullying me with
He's
the
not
door.
bullying you.
No, we're not bullying you. Tell her to come outside, please, please. Because when my supervisor gets here, if you close the door, it's coming off the hinges. That's why we don't want to close the door because we don't want to break your door. So
Yeah,
please,
well,
please look.
this
You rent here?
And
What would your landlord say if he saw
I
five
don't
cops?
rent here.
You own this?
No.
Okay, somebody
I'm
rents here.
staying with my son.
Oh,
Well, your son's
Until
not going to be very
Friday.
happy when his door and all his windows get broken. When my supervisor gets here and says, "Okay, let's just go find her."
Well, go ahead and do it. Excuse
no,
me.
no. It's
Well,
a
now
first
the
party
door's
residence. We're not closing the door.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
please tell her to
I've
come
been
outside.
so nice to you.
Tell her to
respectful.
come outside. We're really losing patience here.
Yeah.
Tell her to come outside. I'm begging you. I don't beg anybody. This is the first person I've ever
Yeah,
begged.
it's true. It's true.
The first person I've ever begged
Yeah.
to just tell her to come
If
outside.
you were anyone else, you would have been pushed aside and we would have went inside and arrested her. And Bailey, I know you're hearing all this. It's a shame you put your mother through all this stress.
We're going to go inside, Bailey, and I don't want you to get hurt, but we're going to go inside and it's not going to be fun. It's going to be a lot of guys, it's going to be a lot of equipment, and it's going to hurt like hell if you have to make us fight for it. So just come outside. You're going to get your mom a damn heart attack. You guys need to be adults, okay? You need to grow up and you need to take care of business because it's not going away, Bailey. I promise you that. And we're not going away.
10. And I need a beer.
You need a beer?
Yeah.
Go grab one.
Go grab a beer and
grab
take a
one.
sip.
Go grab one.
I'm like, I can't do that.
I get it, but this needs to get handled. I get it.
See, that's all my shit.
I get
I
it.
hear you.
But, you know, it's still first party. We got to make sure she's not in there. Everything leads us to believe that she's inside right now. We have reason to believe that she's inside. And that's the problem that
You're
we're
being
facing.
deceptive. That's the
Once we have no reason to believe she's inside, we leave. But right now, more than likely, we have reason to believe she's inside, and she probably is
I
inside.
think you're conning me.
No.
What is this? We're the police. We're not a used car salesman. We don't need to con you.
What do we
You're
need to
the
con you?
same thing.
We're the police.
You've had bad experiences with police. I get it.
Yes.
I get it. You've never met both of us before.
Self-induced, though, right? Self-induced?
No,
You can't always be right.
I am.
You invited them in your life, didn't you?
No.
At some point. Speeding, something.
No.
And you didn't like their attitude, so you already said they had a bad
No.
attitude. Right?
I didn't invite them into
Then how'd
my-
they meet you? The bad police. How'd they meet you?
They came after Bailey.
This is a felony
Oh.
VOP for,
and
I think it's possession of cocaine.
on a VOP. And
Okay, so there you go. Somebody invited them into
That this is going to be a felony
Right.
VOP warrant for, I think, possession of cocaine or something like that.
She
We're
deserves
still working the door with the mom. The mom's extremely uncooperative, but she's still, Judd has her in
She
conversation.
needs help. She needs help. And you're keeping her from getting help.
how's she
If
gonna
something
get help in
Because-
jail?
Because once they find out she's an addict, they
Why
can provide
can't
her.
she go?
They can provide her
They need,
with
they
drug
could-
abuse
they could,
counseling.
Yeah, they could put her in a treatment, but the warrant won't go away, ma'am. She needs to get booked. And then they could put her in treatment, and then she
They
gets
don't
released.
put you in treatment.
Once you get booked,
Not at gun club.
when you get booked and you see a judge, the judge can reverse the probation violation and
What?
put her in
How
treatment.
how old's your son?
36?
Are those his shoes?
No.
Whose shoes are those? They're not
Mine.
yours. Those are
Yeah.
Bailey's shoes, aren't they?
No, they're
Come
mine.
on.
Look, so
They're mine.
let me explain to you. She needs to get booked first. The warrant will go away when she's booked. Okay? Once she gets booked, she sees a judge. She's either going to get released, re-put on probation, or put in a drug abuse program. Right? 3 good things. If she doesn't come out now, she's going to cast a resisting charge. That's going to hold her in jail for another 30 days. We're going to make sure the probation officer street violates her. That's going to hold her in jail for another 30 days. So she's going to be in jail for like 2 months if she keeps giving us a hard time. We're just trying to get this solved. Tell her to come out the door, please.
You let me shut it.
No, we're not going to let you shut the door.
Wow.
We just won't. Just tell her to come outside, please. We're done with the back and forth.
So
My
our-
supervisor is literally pulling up.
We have one
and we're
guy
done.
here. He just showed up. You want to take a look so you can see we're not lying? We have a supervisor that's right behind him. Once he gets here, we're going inside.
Why?
And that means you didn't cooperate with us, which is very sad. She has a drug addict. You're going to let her die. What's the matter with you? You should be ashamed of yourself. You going to stick your tongue at me? Really? That's real funny. Show me where she is. Come on. Come on.
Let's go get her some
Come on,
help.
come on. Let's go get her. Let's go get her. Come on.
I
You should be
won't.
ashamed of yourself. She's going to kill herself. Just watch this lady. Make sure she doesn't do that. You understand?
Watch this lady.
Yeah, because you're being deceptive. I don't want you to do something stupid and get
You don't have
hurt.
any guns and bazookas or nothing, right? All right, we're going to go
Come on.
inside now, okay, hon? Seriously.
Do I
Just
look like a
do-
That's what I said.
Thank you.
I don't care, dude. You go and drive it back that way anyway.
You do care.
I can't. No, I'm not.
Hey, Robbie,
letting
I'm
stop
getting
her.
a call with a cage in a couple of weeks, bro.
When I have an opportunity to bitch, then, you know.
He put him on, so I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna have.
Hang on, let me fix that left up real quick.
I made her wash her hands, so you know.
Hang on.
This is tight.
You got little wrists. You got the advantage of
Hey, don't forget the hairpiece at the top.
Don't take it out of the jail. You're fine. All right, cool. You're good to go. Have a seat.
You gotta do it. It does that sometimes. It keeps it automatic.
Why?